Hello and welcome to Pricing Transparency in the Salon. I have my lovely guest today, Missy, aka Saved by the Stylist. You can go ahead and introduce yourself and let the people know where you're from and what you specialize in.
Well, my name is Missy and my Instagram handle is Saved by the Stylist. And I'm located in Houston, Texas, in the Energy Corridor to be specific. I specialize in extensions and a lot of natural hair services.
So how long have you been behind the chair?
So I've been behind the chair for, I think, like 14 years.
Okay. And so when you first started off, what did your prices look like?
Well, my prices were relatively low. So I would say, for a sew-in, I was charging like $75
Okay.
for a sew-in, and that was back in 2012, 2013.
How much do you charge now for sew-ins?
So right now, currently, my price is $300 for an install.
What is your starting price for smoothing treatments?
So my starting price right now is $415 for a smoothing treatment.
What is your starting price for a silk press for a client?
So if it's a new client coming in, the start off price is $255.
Okay.